never once, never once. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you.